Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to play Claw on your TV remote, as you can see. Now basically what you want to do just get a TV remote, and then you just put your finger like this, as you can see, like this. You see right there, yeah. And yeah, you just and yeah, it works well. Let me just show you how it works on your on like hooked up playing a game. And as you can see, um it works really well, as you can see. And yeah, that was my claw how to play Claw on my TV, on your TV remote. Hope you guys enjoyed.